Are you short on space but dreaming of homegrown vegetables? Whether you live in an apartment or just want to make the most of your patio, you can grow fresh food, even in tight spaces. Let's explore 7 of the easiest vegetables to grow in a small space. Lettuce. Lettuce grows fast, takes up minimal room, and thrives in containers or window boxes. You can harvest leaf by leaf, giving you fresh greens for weeks. Cherry tomatoes. Go vertical with cherry tomatoes. Use a hanging basket or a small trellis, and you'll enjoy a sweet harvest without needing a garden. Carrots. Choose shorter varieties like Parisian carrots. A deep pot filled with loose soil is all they need to thrive, plus, kids love pulling them out. Green onions, scallions. Scallions are compact, easy to grow from scraps, and perfect for windowsills. You'll never run out of garnish again. Peppers. Both hot and sweet pepper varieties do well in pots with plenty of sunlight. They add color and spice to your small garden. Spinach. Spinach is shade-tolerant and grows quickly. Harvest young leaves for salads or let them mature for cooking. Bush beans. Compact and productive, bush beans grow quickly and don't need support. They're perfect for raised beds, pots, or even grow bags. You don't need acres to grow your own food. With just a little space and care, you can turn your balcony or windowsill into a mini harvest haven. Which one will you plant first? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more smart gardening tips.